All right, day number 19. We're about to get started. I just have to wake this.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
We are trying to hurry today because it's about to downpour on us. Well, we didn't beat the rain. I guess I needed a shower anyways. Do you love the rain? It's colorful? Yeah? Well, at least he likes playing in the rain. Okay, so we finished today in 41 minutes and 19 seconds, so about the same time as always, but holy hamstrings, they were on fire. My hamstrings were on fire today. I think I was just trying to push as hard as I could to get through this and out of here before the rain got too hard, but we barely escaped it, so that's good. But I don't know, go out and go do something hard today, even if you're not feeling it, even if it's raining, just go do what you gotta do for yourself. Have fun doing it. Go do something hard today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.